This new world raises our first question. What is the role of humans in a world of ubiquitous computing? Will we become lazy and fully controlled by the machines around us, just like Pixar envisioned in the movie WALL-E? If not, how do we manage to interact with the hidden sensors and computers around us, especially when they don't offer the interfaces we understand? Agents enable a new way of human-computer interaction. Artificial agents, to be precise, which brings us to our second trend. As our computers grow closer to us, we also witness the rise of artificial intelligence. While we are still some big steps away from having a general intelligence that would learn autonomously and be able to solve any given problem, the progress is still mind-blowing. After phases of so-called AI winters, when researchers weren't sure whether the AI approach would be fruitful, today AI technology is blooming like never before. We have come to see a range of productive use cases where AI deep learning technology has been applied and solves problems that could not be solved with traditional algorithms.